Good morning, dear students. Today we Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to discuss lesson 4, Domain Eukarya. Domain Eukarya. First of all, we have to discuss characteristics of eukaryotic organisms. These are eukaryotic organisms. All organisms are made up of eukaryotic cell, and there are four main groups, four main kingdom Protista, kingdom Fungi, kingdom Plantae, and kingdom Animalia. Introduction to Eukarya. Eukarya includes all organisms with eukaryotic cells. Eukaryotic cells are fundamentally different from prokaryotic cells of bacteria and archaea. This is a eukaryotic cell. It has a well-defined nucleus with nuclear membrane. This is a prokaryotic cell. There is no well-defined nucleus. There is no nuclear membrane. Now we are going to discuss cell structure of eukarya. Eukaryotic cells have a true nucleus enclosed in a nuclear membrane, and there are also membrane-bound organelles: mitochondria, chloroplast, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, lysosome. This is nucleus, endoplasmic reticulum. This is mitochondria. This is chloroplast, and this is Golgi apparatus. Now we have to discuss about genetic material in domain eukarya. DNA is organized into multiple linear chromosomes within the nucleus. This is a cell, and DNA is organized into multiple linear chromosomes. These are linear chromosome, and one chromosome is magnified as you can see. This is a linear chromosome within the nucleus. Most eukaryotes undergo sexual reproduction, and sexual reproduction involves meiosis and fertilization. Some eukaryotes reproduce asexually through mitosis. Look at the picture. This is a one parent cell. It undergoes the process of mitosis and divided into two daughter cells. These two daughter cells are identical to each other, and this is meiosis. A parent cell undergoes the process of meiosis and divides into four haploid cells. Complex cellular organization in eukarya. Multicellular eukaryotes differentiate into specialized tissues and organs. Cells become organized to perform specific functions. You can see this is a cell. Cells are specialized and organized into tissues, and different tissues organize into an organ, and different organs give rise an organ system, and different organ systems give rise an organism. This is complex cellular organization in domain eukarya. Now we will discuss endosymbiotic relationship. Eukaryotes are believed to have originated through endosymbiosis. Eukaryotes are believed to have originated through endosymbiosis. Prokaryotic cells were engulfed by a host cell. This process led to mitochondria and chloroplast. Look at the diagram. This is ancestral host cell. This host cell engulfs an anaerobic prokaryote. This anaerobic prokaryote get entered inside the host cells and start to function as mitochondria. In same way, an photosynthetic prokaryote is engulfed and it starts to function as chloroplast. In this way, eukaryotic cells are developed. Summary: Eukarya have true nuclei and membrane-bound organelles. Their DNA is arranged in linear chromosomes. They show complex organization and diverse reproduction methods. They show complex organization and diverse reproduction methods. Summary: Eukarya have true nuclei and membrane-bound organelles. Their DNA is arranged in linear chromosomes. You can see these are linear chromosomes. They show complex organization and diverse reproduction methods. You can see this is complex organization and diverse reproduction methods. Thank you.